I'm going to show you how to buy BECE results checker card on any mobile phone by dialing *713*7134#. This is very helpful when you don't have internet access. You start by dialing the short code *713*7134# on any mobile phone and send. So you select the card you want to buy. So we are buying BECE. You enter 2 and send. You will see the price per card. You enter the quantity you want to buy and send. You confirm the order next. Enter 1 to confirm. Then you wait for the payment approval. Enter your mobile money PIN to approve the transaction. Enter 1 to approve. You have your mobile money message here, the payments received for the checker card, and then the BECE results checker card sent to you via SMS. It is sent instantly after you approve the transaction. You go to eresults.waecgh.org to check your BECE result. Thank you. It is powered by serialandpin.com. Convenient, fast, and simple.